Assalamu alaikum to all the beautiful people. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. Today's recipe is camel meat roast. Why I have chosen camel is because the camel meat itself has a lot of nutritional benefits. You can also use mutton if you want, but here I'm using camel meat along with the hump of the camel. Hump has lots of nutritional values, especially vitamin B12 as well as omega 9 fatty acids in it. So let's begin with the recipe. Here we will be adding 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted coriander seeds, roasted green red chilies, roasted fennel seeds, and 3 cloves, cardamom, bay leaf a little bit, cinnamon stick, hibiscus for essence, ginger garlic, and curry leaves to a blender. And we'll blend this into firstly we'll grind this, and then in a pressure cooker we will add the camel meat, and we will add the coarsely grinded masala along with 2 teaspoons of curd and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and turmeric 1 teaspoon with some salt as per taste. Gently mix all these ingredients together and add around 1 to 2 cups of water or until the camel meat is immersed. Now we will cook this, closing the lid of the pressure cooker with the whistle in a medium flame for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the meat is well tendered, because this meat takes a very long time, so ensure that your meat is well tendered before moving on to the next step. So let me check. There you go, the meat looks tendered. Okay, it's actually tendered. So let's move on to the next step. Now we'll take a pan or a wok and we'll add around 2 teaspoons of oil and sliced onions, 1 large onion sliced, and fry this until it's slightly brown in color. And once it's brown in color, we'll add tomatoes, again 1 small tomato sliced. And once both the ingredients are well cooked, we will add the camel meat along with the broth which is left over and cook until the broth is evaporated completely. And then we'll add some coriander to it, give it a nice mix, and then serve hot roasted camel meat. So friends, hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do try, share your views and comments below. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.